So we'll discuss about some example of how you can use Chat GPT, like the Chat GPT for restaurant, how to do digital marketing for restaurant or marketing ideas. So like with simple marketing ideas for restaurants. So this is giving you an output with the input you had provided, what you can do to create a strong presence and everything. So collaborate with local business and organizations. A marketing strategy which you can use. How to do digital marketing for gyms. So example of gyms, of how you can do digital marketing for gyms, creating a strong online. It's like the Chat GPT is taking inputs from everywhere and giving a very good output based on the current situation and everything. It's really effective. You can use this content but just copy the content. So copy headline for rents. Copy, then we can search for like keywords for restaurants. This is for SEO purpose. You can also make a ready for how to make a sales pitch. Sales pitch, sales copy, how to social media ideas for real estate. Paid advertising for real estate.